In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your HP laptop. So I'll show you how you can go and record your screen and also your microphone as well, and we can do this using a built-in tool on our computer. So first just go and open up the Start menu. You can then search for Snipping Tool and click on this window here. In the top navigation, make sure to click on the video icon. You can then press New in the top left-hand side. And now you can go and select the area that you want to start recording on your screen. So you can either make a free selection using the arrows like this. You can also click on the drop down arrow next to the recording area, and you can select a specific window that you want to record as well. Now once you've made your selection, you can click on the drop down arrow next to your microphone, and if you also want to record your mic, you can go and select your microphone from the list. Now to begin recording, just click on the Start button, and after a few seconds it will now begin recording. To stop the recording, go and click on the Stop button, and now this video will automatically be saved to your computer. So to go and find the location of this video, you can click on these three horizontal dots and click on Open Screen Recordings folder, and here you'll find all of the videos that you have saved. So that's how you record your screen on your HP laptop. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.